Cheese! Cheese!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then welcome. It's been quite a while since I've posted a cleaning video, so I hope you guys like this one. It's a little bit different than what you might normally see because my kids are involved all the time, and you're gonna see that throughout this entire video. I also forgot to mention to you guys that I have a surprise at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around to the end so that you can see it. You guys may notice that you're going to see a lot of outfit changes, and that's just because honestly a lot of my cleaning is not done all in the same day. I mean, realistically, do any of us really wash, fold, and put away all the laundry in the same day? Because I for sure don't.
I used to let it in, all the things you said. Try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away.
You can't walk on top of the English when you Cheese!
This is the exact reason why my clothes don't get all done in one day. And I know it's kind of my fault here too, but I just love involving my kids, and they had a lot of fun, so it takes a little bit longer. I am so embarrassed to be actually showing this to you guys, but this is real life. There's just some areas in your house that tend to get a little bit neglected, and this bench is where my kids sit every day for every meal, and there's crumbs. You guys can see there's a lot of crumbs there. It's not something that I clean every single day, so that's why I'm cleaning it now. Make me feel a little bit better. Share with me in the comments, what are some of the neglected areas in your house that you would never want anybody to see? and leave it down below.
For a new start, for a new start. Looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start.
One of the reasons I love cleaning around my kids is that they become interested in what I'm doing, and kids imitate what they see. So I think it's just a really great way to teach them from a young age how to have good cleaning habits. What do you guys do? Do you have your kids clean, or do you prefer to clean maybe when they're taking a nap? This is just the way that I've found it easiest to do. When they were babies, I definitely got it done when they were taking a nap, but now that they're all older, I just kind of involve them.
Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start.
I don't know if you guys noticed this or not, but it sticks out like a sore thumb to me. The tape all over my light switch plate is because my daughter Gracie has been flicking the lights on and off, and it's been driving me nuts. And I cannot find some kind of child-proofing system for a light switch plate, so this is what I did. Tape on the light switch.
Lay awake until the morning in an ocean so deep. Got a feeling like I'm dauntless whenever you're next to me.
Do you guys have like a drop zone in your kitchen? This is an unintentional drop zone that we have. For some reason, everything just kind of accumulates and ends up here. So that's what I'm doing here, is just cleaning up everything and putting stuff away where it should be.
You give a little, but you're giving me just what I need. No time for riddles, you're in the middle of my self-release. You have unchained me. You have unchained me.
So I'm just gonna add a shameless little plug here. It was actually totally unintentional, but since the camera seems to be zoomed into my cleaner, this cleaner is a all-natural plant-based cleaner that you saw me using probably throughout the whole video, and I like to use it because my children can also be involved in cleaning, and I can use it for almost anything. I'm also going to be using it in a scrub to clean my sink. So if it's something that you guys are interested in, I'm just going to leave the link down below, or you can message me on Instagram about it, and I'll leave my handle here and continue on with the video.
Give a little, but you're giving me just what I need. No time for riddles, you're in the middle of my self-release. You have unchained me. You have unchained me. You have oh yeah. I don't spend time thinking about what could go wrong. I deal with them one
just what I need. No time for riddles, you're in the middle of my self-release. 'Cause you have unchained me. You have unchained me.
This is the sink scrub that I was telling you guys about. You can actually use the scrub for a lot of things, but I'm going to be using it for my sink. And it's just 2 ingredients. I'm using the all-purpose cleaner here and baking soda. And you can add a little bit of water to it if you want it to be a little bit more liquidy, but I needed something really strong to clean my dirty, disgusting sink. I don't know why. It's white and it gets so stained really easily. So I need something really strong, but I didn't feel like using any harsh chemicals like Clorox, because as you can see, my son was also involved and wanted to help in this, and it actually worked out really well.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought
Does it look better?
Yeah.
I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. But no, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down.
As you guys can see here, I moved on to my bathroom and I'm continuing to use that same cleaner, but I will say I do not like it for glass. So for that, I use my Method glass cleaner. It's still something more plant-based than like Windex, and I find that this works really, really well for all my glass and mirrors around the house.
That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. No, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. No, no.
So I'm cleaning up in my bathroom right now, and I had taken a pregnancy test. I'm not sure if that'll be posted on my channel yet or not, but in that video I was like, oh, okay, it's negative. I was a little bit disappointed, and I was about to take out the trash, and I'm looking at the test now in sunlight, and it looks like a really faint line. I read that you can, like sometimes I think it's called like an evaporation line can happen. But I don't know, what do you think? I don't think the camera's really picking it up. I don't think you can really tell on camera, but I think I'm gonna take another pregnancy test.
Down, down, baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river